Ladies and gentlemen, my video is about another malicious website that may hijack your browser with intrusive web push notifications. The website is called Lingdownlounsand.pro. Lingdownlounsand.pro. It says that it's some checking of your browser. To access the website, click Allow. Now, this is the typical trick used by some adware developers to hijack your browser with intrusive pop-up ads that will forward your browser to many dangerous websites beyond your control. I recommend you to be very careful not to click on this allow button because, as I have just said, your browser will be hijacked because of that. Now, if you have done so by mistake, I recommend you to do the following. Go to your browser settings, select Advanced, scroll down to the Advanced area in Google Chrome, choose Site Settings, and now go to Notifications. In the very bottom of the page, in the section called Allow, you will find this malicious website causing the troubles. Click here and select Remove. Another recommendation is that you scan your Mac, since I'm talking about fixing Mac computers in this video. So scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may download it from the website combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner, that's the antivirus typically and solely for Mac computers. Download this program using the green download button. Install the application and run scanning with it. By the way, this is the way the program looks like. It says loading antivirus engine, please wait. Combo Cleaner is a great malware removal tool. However, its antivirus function is only available in the premium version. Nevertheless, there are some functions like Disk Cleaner which are for free. Some other functions are not free. But I recommend you to click on Start Combo Scan button and inspect your Mac with the decent software called Combo Cleaner, because it could be that there are some other malicious programs still nesting in your Mac. So hopefully this program will help you, and I hope the video was also helpful to you. Please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.